Hey guys, it's Christy here at the Paper Lion. I just thought I'd come and give you a little quick glance of some things that I'm going to try to get listed this week. These are spring themed and oh my gosh, aren't they cute? I really love birds. I really love bird themed items. As you'll see in some of my projects, I do try to use birds quite a bit. I love birds, I love horses, I love cats. I love animals. But anyway, I hope everybody is doing great today. I'm going to try to keep this a really short video because I know everybody's time is valuable. But I just wanted to come and show you these little cute spring themed little journals, mini journals, and I think they'll be really cute if you want to add them to baskets or, you know, as like little gifts for someone who, you know, at your, place of employment. I'm working on getting some other ones that are spring themed. I'm working on doing some of those that will be just as sweet as this. These were made out of paper napkins that I Mod Podged onto like chipboard type material, and these napkins were from Germany, and there are a couple of more that I really am wanting to do some more of these. So if you guys want to see some more spring themed little journal and bookmarks like these, let me know down in the comments. I did see one that was a rabbit with a flower crown that I really want to do, and I'm thinking about doing that. So if that kind of stuff interests you, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll get that, get some more of those done. But anyway, let's look at this, what I have. I'm going to be listing these. These are cute little spring journals. Very mini, so you can put those in your, in your little purse. You can put them in your desk. They just go anywhere with you. If you want to take them with you on the bus, on the train, wherever you want to, and want to be able to jot down something, that's just quick and easy, very discreet. You can stick this in the middle of a book. You can add this to another journal that you may already have if you want to add some extra little journaling paper or journaling space to an existing journal that you have, or one of my journals that I will be listing. That would be great. Let me see if I can get you a measurement on this little guy. This one is about 4.5 inches wide and 4 inches tall. So like I think that was 4 1/4. Yes, 4 1/4 inches wide and 4 inches tall on this cute little guy. Isn't he pretty? And I just kept it real simple in this one because I want to keep these very affordable. This one, you can see that there's like a little bauble on the inside that hangs at the bottom where the binding is. And again, I have a hidden binding, which is something that I like to do in a lot of my little journals. I like to hide them, but it opens nice and wide for you if you want to fold that open. And I didn't tea dye any of the paper. I decided I would just leave everything nice and clean and white in here. And very nice little journal you can add to another one. It's really pretty flat if you want to add that to another journal. I know sometimes the thickness really matters. If you can add little stickers to that, you can do a lot of little things with this little journal. And there's his little sibling. And listen to that. Doesn't that sound so good? I just love the way that they sound. And I don't know if you can see it, but they've got that. I was able to do a nice crinkly texture on that. I learned that technique from Natasha over at Treasure Books. When I first started getting into journaling, I watched a lot of her videos here on YouTube. You can search her under Treasure Books. Her name is Natasha, and I love, thank you Natasha for teaching me this little technique. I think it's super sweet. I just love the little crinkling effect and the noise, and it really gives it a completely different texture. And once you do the crinkle, and then with hers, she just kind of glued them down with like a Mod Podge, well, like a liquidy PVC mixture. But I did that and put it down there, and then after it was done, I went over it with like a shiny type of Mod Podge just to kind of seal it in, and it gives it a really it actually brings it alive. To me, it gives it like more life when you put that Mod Podge on top of it, because it looks a little dull when you just do the tissue technique on top of the PVC mixture, but then once you let it dry and you add this Mod Podge, it really just gives it a lot more life, and it makes it shine. I don't know if you can see that, the shine on that. But anyway, I wanted to keep this video very short. So let's go on and look at the other little spring item that I want to do. Also, again, I want to do this in more of the other spring patterns. These were made out of German tissue napkins. And I just think they're so sweet. These pretty little, I want to say these are dogwood flowers. If someone else knows what they are in the comments, please let me know. But anyway, these are little handmade bookmarks, and they've got this beautiful vintage lace trim on them. And on the back, I Mod Podged them with, I did a vintage music sheet, and I also Mod Podged that, so I don't know if you can see the glossy in that, and it just kind of made it a little more sturdy. And with this they have cute little charms on them, and I put like one of the inserts or eyelets in there, so that could give that some movement. So you can put this in the front, in the back, off to the side, however you want to do it. But look at that fun little tassel that comes along with these bookmarks. It's so pretty and soft and springy. It's got like a vintage cottagey type feel to it. Very, very pretty. It's got some vintage linen in there. It's got some nice tulle ribbon in there, some standard ribbon. And I've got these two that I have available now. I have the glittery ribbon, this glitter ribbon in them. That will not be available on any of the other ones because I only had a limited supply of that really pretty glitter ribbon. So there's only two available with the glitter ribbon, and I'm going to be listing those on Mercari and Poshmark this week. They're going to be affordably priced. These are all 100% handmade. Down here on the tassels, you can see there's got some really pretty faux pearls and silver baubles, and then you got your pretty pink faux pearls and pink little not gemstones, but glass beads there. Really, really pretty, with your silver charms on there. This one's a heart with the word love. This one has a keyhole with a key. So the charms on them will be different on each one. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about in this one. This is the pretty little spring themed vintage mini journals and bookmarks that I will be listing on Mercari and Poshmark this week. If you want one of these, comment down below, or you can give me a few days to get these listed on the websites that are going to be linked in my description. And I hope you guys really enjoy that. Let me give you one more listen. That sounds so good. But anyway, even the bookmarks make noise. But anyway, that's my cute little spring themed journal and bookmarks that are going to be available. They're great to put in with other journals, great to use with your books. They work well with other journals. I have one of my journals here. They work well if you want to put them in one of these. They work well in those. You can see at the top, then you can add, it makes more fun on one of your journals. You can use them for regular books if you want to. Put that journal away. You use those for lots of different things. You can give those as gifts for little girls to encourage reading. I know a lot of kids nowadays don't actually read hardback books or softback books like I did when I was in school. I absolutely love the library. It was one of my favorite places. But anyway, that would be a nice little way to reward a little girl or someone who likes reading. Give them something to look forward to in their pretty little books that they have. But anyway, that's my spring themed little a bird themed or spring themed little goodies that I'm going to be listing. And as always, thank you guys for spending some time with me. I know everybody's time is precious and I appreciate yours, and I hope everyone has a great day. Talk to you in the next video. Bye!